How to think like Elon Musk. Secrets to building billion-dollar success. Elon Musk, the man who revolutionized space exploration, electric vehicles, and artificial intelligence. How did he achieve such unparalleled success? What is the secret to his billionaire mindset? In this video, we'll uncover how Elon Musk thinks, works, and achieves goals, so you can apply his strategies to your life. We're diving deep into the mind of a true innovator, a man who dares to dream bigger than most can even imagine. Get ready to unlock your own potential for greatness. Stay tuned for 10 powerful minutes of insight and motivation that could change everything for you. The power of vision, dream big. Let me tell you, the first key to thinking like Elon Musk is understanding the power of vision. You see, most people, they limit themselves. They think small, play it safe. But not Elon. He dares to dream big, to envision a future beyond the realm of the ordinary. Think about it, when Elon first talked about colonizing Mars, people thought he was crazy. Space travel, electric cars, these were considered pipe dreams, the stuff of science fiction. But Elon, he didn't see limitations, he saw possibilities. He saw a future where humanity could transcend its earthly bonds and become a multi-planetary species. And where did this audacity, this unwavering belief in the seemingly impossible come from? It was ignited by a childhood passion for knowledge. As a kid, Elon devoured books, immersing himself in worlds of imagination and possibility. He understood that knowledge is power, and he wasn't afraid to dream big, to set goals that seemed utterly unreachable to everyone else. This, my friends, is the first lesson. Don't be afraid to dream big. Don't let the naysayers and the doubters dim your vision. Ask yourself, what is the most ambitious dream I can pursue? What impossible goal can you set that will ignite your passion and drive you to achieve the extraordinary? Remember, the only limits are the ones we set for ourselves. Obsession with learning. Mastering the fundamentals. Now, dreaming big is important, but it's only the first step. To turn those dreams into reality, you need to become obsessed with learning, just like Elon. This guy is a voracious learner, a master of multiple disciplines. He taught himself rocket science, for crying out loud. He delves into engineering, artificial intelligence, all with an insatiable thirst for knowledge. Elon understands that knowledge is the fuel that propels progress. He once said, "You don't need a degree to learn something. Books are free and you can teach yourself anything." And he lives by those words. He's constantly seeking new information, new skills, always pushing the boundaries of his own understanding. But here's the key, Elon doesn't just accumulate knowledge, he internalizes it. He breaks down complex problems into their fundamental principles, understanding the core truths before building solutions. This is what he calls first principles thinking, and it's a cornerstone of his success. So, what can you learn from this? Dedicate time every single day to expanding your knowledge. Read books, take online courses, listen to podcasts, become a student of your craft, whatever it may be. And remember, don't just skim the surface. Dive deep, understand the fundamentals, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Ruthless goal setting and focus. Now, let's talk about goals. You see, Elon doesn't just set goals, he sets them with laser-like focus and a relentless determination to achieve them. He breaks down his ambitious visions into smaller, measurable steps, and then he attacks them with an intensity that's almost superhuman. Take Tesla, for example. When the company was on the verge of collapse, Elon set a single all-consuming goal: deliver the Model S. He poured every ounce of his energy, every minute of his time into making that happen. He even slept on the factory floor, pushing himself and his team to the absolute limit. And how does he maintain this incredible focus? One strategy he uses is time boxing. He divides his day into 5-minute blocks, meticulously planning and optimizing every single moment. He eliminates distractions, cuts out the noise, and focuses relentlessly on the tasks that will move him closer to his goals. Now, I'm not saying you need to start sleeping in your office or scheduling your day in 5-minute increments, but you can learn from Elon's laser-like focus. Write down your top 3 goals, the ones that truly matter, and then eliminate everything else that doesn't contribute to achieving them. Use time management techniques like time boxing or the Pomodoro technique to stay focused and productive. Remember, focus is a muscle, and the more you exercise it, the stronger it becomes. Chapter 4. Resilience in the face of failure. Now let's talk about something most people try to avoid: failure. You see, Elon doesn't just accept failure, he embraces it. He understands that failure is not the opposite of success, it's a stepping stone on the path to success. Think about it. Elon's journey has been marked by setbacks, explosions, near bankruptcies. His early SpaceX rockets, they blew up. Tesla faced financial ruin multiple times, but did he give up? Did he let those failures crush his spirit? Hell no. Elon has this incredible ability to confront failure head-on, to dissect it, learn from it, and come back stronger. He famously said, "Failure is an option here. If things are not failing, you are not innovating enough." He sees failure as a sign that he's pushing the boundaries, that he's on the right track. And that's the attitude you need to adopt. Don't be afraid to fail. Don't let the fear of failure paralyze you into inaction. Embrace your failures, learn from your mistakes, and use them as fuel to propel you forward. Remember, resilience, that ability to bounce back from adversity, is the bridge between failure and success. Chapter 5, A Relentless Work Ethic. Now let's talk about hard work. And I'm not talking about your average 9-to-5 grind. I'm talking about the kind of relentless, all-consuming work ethic that Elon Musk is famous for. This guy is a machine. He routinely works 80 to 100 hours a week, sometimes even more. He's personally involved in every aspect of his companies, from engineering to design to marketing. Now I know what you're thinking. Tony, I can't work 100 hours a week. I have a family, a life outside of work, and you know what? You're right, not everyone is built for that kind of intensity. But here's the thing, it's not about the number of hours, it's about the effectiveness of those hours. Elon's work ethic is about more than just putting in the time. It's about prioritizing, about focusing on the tasks that will have the biggest impact. It's about pushing yourself beyond your comfort zone, about demanding the best from yourself and inspiring your team to do the same. So while you may not be pulling all-nighters like Elon, you can still adopt his relentless pursuit of excellence. Prioritize your tasks, eliminate distractions, and focus on making every minute count. Remember, it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Chapter 6. Thinking Beyond Profit Purpose-Driven Goals. Now here's the thing about Elon Musk that truly sets him apart. He's not just driven by profit, he's driven by purpose. Sure, he's become one of the wealthiest people on the planet, but that's not his primary motivator. Elon is on a mission to change the world, to solve some of humanity's biggest challenges. Think about it. He's not just building electric cars, he's trying to accelerate the transition to sustainable energy. He's not just launching rockets, he's trying to make humanity a multi-planetary species, ensuring our survival in the face of potential existential threats. This sense of purpose, this desire to make a real difference in the world, is what fuels his relentless drive and ambition. He's not just building companies, he's building a better future for all of us. And that's the final lesson I want you to take away from this video. Align your goals with a higher purpose. Ask yourself, how can my success make the world a better place? When you connect your goals to something bigger than yourself, something meaningful and impactful, you tap into a wellspring of motivation and inspiration that will propel you to achieve extraordinary things. Outro: Unleash your inner Elon. So there you have it, the secrets to thinking like Elon Musk. Dream big, embrace bold visions, become a lifelong learner, constantly seeking knowledge and understanding. Set clear, focused goals and pursue them with relentless determination. Embrace failure as a stepping stone, a chance to learn and grow. Work relentlessly, but work smart, prioritizing impact over effort. And most importantly, align your goals with a higher purpose, a mission that transcends personal gain. Elon Musk didn't just dream of changing the world, he took massive action. Now it's your turn. Start small, think big, and never give up. The future is waiting for those bold enough to create it. Are you ready to begin?